Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the midst of this stay at home policy in New York, I'm not going outside because motherfuckers dirty, okay?
I said what I said.
Let me stop. It's not dirty, but like, I just don't want to get sick. That's just a tea, bitch, and I'm not with the shits at all. So I'm about to do my makeup real quick. Well, not quick, it's gonna take a little while, but I'm about to do my makeup. And if you want to get this look, it's going to be a smoky dark eye, so keep watching. I'm going to go ahead with this e.l.f. This is actually eyeliner that I've had for a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and use this as a base. So I'm doing a black smoky eye, I told you guys. Gotta be careful with this, cause now I'm gonna go in with an OZ but a goodie, the Anastasia Prism palette. I'm gonna be using Upside-In, this black color right here. Okay, this is how it looks blended out. Guys, please trust the process. I know it looks a little crazy, just trust, okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna put on my JJuheard lashes in the style Trap Star. These are very lightweight, fluffy. We have about, I think I have about 10 left, maybe less than that, I don't know. But get them while you can, guys, because I am shipping doing this craziness. The post office just picked it up, so yeah, make sure you order on JJuheardCosmetics.com. I honestly never thought I'd be able to put on lashes with just my bare nails because I like tips so much, but I've been impressing myself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply our gloss Mixie. It smells like bubblegum. It smells so fucking good. Like, I wish I could smell it through the look how good it looks. Has a little bit of holographic flakes, but for the most part it's a clear gloss. It's very moisturizing, as you can see. It's thick but not like too thick. It's like the perfect consistency. You'll see when I'm gonna apply it to my eyes right now to give me a glossy eye effect, and you'll be able to see the consistency and how it looks perfect. Gloss. Okay, so this is my first time applying my glosses. I have like a NYX glossy eye thing, obviously, that I bought, but this is my first time applying like my gloss to my eyes, so I'm a little nervous, but I want to show you guys how versatile it is. Wow, bitch. That's a whole new bitch. What's that song on TikTok? A whole brand new bitch bussin'. I kind of want to use mixing on my lips too, but I don't want to drag it. Alright. Alright, bitch. Alright, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I'm probably going to fast forward to this part because it's my usual routine. So, okay, guys. So I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Primer. This is a trial size, but this shit is bomb. It basically gets rid of your pores. So I definitely recommend it. I like Smashbox. I definitely like Smashbox. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with this caramel foundation. I haven't used it in a while, but it should still be fun. I'm in love with this glossy eye right now. I literally cannot. I seen some influencer, as a guy, he's so cute. He do some bomb ass makeup. If I remember his at name, I'll put it in the description box. But he did his contour first, and then he did his highlight, which I actually have done before, but I want to start making it a consistent habit because I like the way it comes out. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm trying to use brushes today. See how I actually love. I got these from Glow Skin Beauty, and I really do love their brushes and their lipsticks were nice. I just never really use lipsticks like that, but they remind me of MAC lipsticks, but they're. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead with the this gloss. I smell it. It's on my face. It smells so good. Like, I'm not even gassing y'all because it's my gloss. Like, no, this shit smells good. I have a lot of different glosses that I love, like the textures and stuff, but they don't be smelling good. The only gloss that I have from like a big company that smells good is NYX Butter Gloss, but like everybody know about NYX. So, but oh sorry, this is Elf Camo Concealer. Put a little bit right there, just to, you know, bad bitch vibes. the Prism palette again, but I'm gonna use Saturn as blush. So, you know, just keep it all in the family, bitch. Keep that little blush. Little blushy blush. I know it look rough now, but I'm gonna blend it in and everything. I'm gonna do all that, okay? Trust me, guys. I know. Bitch be looking crazy. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX bronzer. Had this bronzer for a long time. I'm gonna put it right here. Powder that I've had for mad long. It's probably not good. I'm gonna go under my eye. Not really into translucent powders like that anymore. I mean, I use them here and there, but not really. Because I feel like a microfine powder like MAC Studio Fix, I feel like it does the same thing. Like, to me, and it could actually give you a little more color if you feel like your face is pale. I have the Hourglass translucent powder. I have Laura Mercier's translucent powder, but I still feel like I don't know. Sometimes it leaves like blotchy spots for me. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But like I have the Hourglass here. I could use it just so you guys can see what it's like. It's really pretty, actually. So this is how the Hourglass translucent powder looks. I do like this powder, guys. I got it through Influencer, so I didn't pay for it, but I think it's maybe $30, $40. I feel like it's worth it. It's a lot of product in here. It's kind of like the Laura Mercier one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little more bronzing out with this contour. Extra. I'm gonna go with my Too Faced bronzers to see if it'll give me a little. It's gonna be the Dream palette from Anastasia. You could actually, I paid like $30 or $40 for this. Like, this is a year ago, more than a year ago, but you could get it in TJ Maxx now for like $20, I think, probably less. TJ Maxx is the spot for some beauty products, okay, bitch? It is the spot. I'm gonna go ahead with this fan brush thing. I forgot how nice this palette, this glow kit was. I haven't used this shit. I don't even know when the last time I used this. It's in such good condition, you can tell I barely used it. Alright, so this is, let me see which one I really like. I think I'm gonna go with, damn, I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. They're kind of similar shades. I'm gonna go ahead with Sunshine. Actually, I'm gonna, fuck it, I'm gonna combine one of them shades, I don't care. I'm an extra bitch. Do any of this. I'm gonna go ahead with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. That's how it looks. And then after that, because I'm extra, because I'm an extra ass bitch, I'm gonna go ahead into Spear. That's this bright neon color. And I'm gonna put this right here. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to make sure y'all see it. So, it's pretty much my eye look. Now my favorite part, you already know, I got rid from my glosses. This is a NYX pencil in the shade Nutmeg. I'm gonna go ahead with it. It's cotton candy scented too. It's like a pink gloss, like a pink clear gloss, so it's perfect for this kind of lip. I changed my lighting. My lighting was really harsh. So, I want to know what y'all think. Let me see. Maybe there's something better. I don't know. This is the eye, the glossy eye. I used Mixi gloss, like I said before. And it's a clear gloss with holographic flakes. Then I used Trap Star lashes for my line. And I used Burr gloss with a NYX brown liner. I want to start making lip liners. Like, I'm gonna start doing research because I love lip liners. I always wear lip liners, so I feel like it would be like the perfect marriage. Also, I think body butters too. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you rock this look?